Students, myself Gayatri Agarwal from LP Savani Vidya Bhavan welcomes you for this new video session of chapter number 15, that is From Market to Home. In this chapter we are going to learn about a vegetable seller's day and his family's day. So let's move to our chapter. My name is Vaishali. My father is a vegetable seller. My mother, Bhai, Chotu and I help father with his work. Can you guess at what time we begin our work? At 3 o'clock in the morning, when most people are fast asleep. We start our work taking out the previous day's vegetables from the gunny bags and baskets and arrange them on the other hand, preparation of bringing the fresh vegetables from the mandi, that is a big market. Sometimes Chotu also helps us. Here, a girl whose name is Vaishali is narrating her day. Okay, she says here that her father is a vegetable seller. So, all the family members along with her mother, brother, small brother and herself, they all help her father with his work, and they have to get up early in the morning at 3 o'clock when we are fast asleep. It's like a midnight for us. What they must be doing getting up early in the morning, right? So we all wonder that what they do so early in the morning, but they have a lot of work. When they get up at 3 o'clock, they remove all the vegetables which are kept in the baskets and gunny bags. They remove those vegetables, sprinkle water on them and arrange them in different baskets. Their father also prepares to go to a big mandi. Mandi or big market is a wholesale market from where the vegetable seller brings vegetables for us. Sometimes her younger brother also helps them. As soon as we had our tea after finishing the work, we heard the horn of a tempo. It is time for father, bhaiya, uncle and some others from our street to leave for the mandi. Why they have to go in a tempo? Because they will bring lots and lots of vegetables. So for carrying them they need a tempo. Who all will go with them? All the people who live in their street and work the same as a vegetable seller. They all will go with Vaishali's father and her brother. Preparing for the day, Mother, Chotu and I put the previous day's vegetables in gunny bags and sprinkle some water on them. By 6:30 a.m., father is back from the mandi with baskets and sacks full of fresh vegetables. At that time, our house looks more like a small vegetable market. There are brinjals, potatoes, tomatoes, okra, that is bhindi, pumpkin, gourds, chilies and many other vegetables all around. Everybody helps in sorting out the vegetables. The vegetables which are not fully ripe and not ready to sell are kept aside. We have to sort out vegetables fast so as to reach the market as early as possible. So, at what time Vaishali's father returned back from the market? By 6:30 in the morning. By that time, Vaishali and her mother and Chotu, they all put the vegetables of previous day into the basket and the extra vegetables into the gunny bags. They also sprinkle some water on them. And when father returns from the market, when father returns from the mandi, the time is about 6:30. And when father is back, what does he carry with them? he carries lots of vegetables filled in baskets and sacks. What are sacks? Sacks are types of some bags storing vegetables. And at that time, Vaishali's house looks like a small vegetable market. What kind of vegetables does Vaishali's father bring along with him? He brings brinjals, which we also call as bangan, or in Gujarati you can say ringan, pumpkins, we say kaddu, potatoes, tomatoes, okra. Okra is also known as lady's finger, gourds, chilies and many other vegetables her father brings, and everyone in the house helps him in sorting the vegetables. Sorting means to separate the vegetables in different baskets. What they do, the vegetables which are not totally ripe and ready to sell are kept aside, and vegetables which are already ready or already ripe are kept in one basket. They are all have to work very fast so that their father can reach to the market as early as possible. If father does not get to the market on time, the regular customers will be purchasing vegetables from different vegetable sellers. Therefore, her father has to reach vegetable market on time. See what kind of vegetables are there which we see but we don't know their names. Okay, today we will see and learn their names also. First of all, I would show you the vegetable mandi. See, this is a vegetable mandi. You can see all kinds of vegetables are stored in sacks. They are in large number, large quantity. This is how a vegetable mandi looks like, from where people like Vaishali's father bring vegetables to our home. Okay, let us learn about some vegetables. See, this is torai. It is known as ridge gourd in English. This is a vegetable and it's very healthy also. This is spine gourd known as kantola. Then we have bitter gourd, that is karela. We have apple gourd, that is tinda. These are some vegetable names which we don't know, so we should learn them. This is pointed gourd, that is purple. This is moose melon, which is also known as kachri, and it's mainly found in Rajasthan. Okay, let's move. These are some cluster beans which we call as gawar fali or gawar singh. These are beans. Then we have elephant foot, which is known as suran. Then we have drumsticks, which is known as saragwo in Gujarati. So, isn't it fun to learn some English names of the vegetables which we regularly eat? By 7 o'clock, father arranges all the vegetables on the handcart and leaves for the market. You must have seen your mother purchasing vegetables from the vendor coming near your house. You must have seen the vendor comes with a handcart filled with lots of types of vegetables filled in different baskets. He says that if he is late, then his regular customers may buy their vegetables from someone else. As soon as father leaves, I quickly get ready as I have to reach school by 7:30 a.m. So early in the morning, all the family members of Vaishali's family start working. Right, because father leaves to market by 7 o'clock, and Vaishali leaves for school at 7:30. Here we learn about the punctuality. We should always be careful about our timings. We should be punctual to reach on time. We should not allow anyone to be late just because of us. Don't you remember how many times I tell you people to be on time in class, don't come late, right? But then also some other time you people come and say, मैम आज मैं थोड़ी देर लेट आया था, आपने क्या सिखाया? So what do you learn from this? Then when you are coming late to the class or anywhere, you can miss out something very important. So we learn that we should be on time, we should be punctual. So Vaishali's father has to reach market on time so that his regular buyers do not buy vegetables from other vendors. See, here you can see so many vendors are standing at the vegetable market with their carts filled with vegetables and people are buying them, right? See, even here, see one more picture showing clearly so many vegetable sellers are there who carry the vegetables on the hand cart, isn't it? So we should always be on time so that time is utilized in a proper manner. Chotu attends school in the morning. He goes to market at 10 a.m. with food for father and bhai. He stays with them at the vegetable cart until it is time for him to go to school. Sometimes he goes directly from school to help his father. Father tries to sell previous day's vegetables first. Now here we see that when father and Vaishali's brother, they leave for the market at 7 o'clock, they only have tea. So Chotu, the younger brother, he goes to school after Vaishali because Vaishali goes to school by 7:30. So Chotu goes to the market with the food for father and bhai. He stays there for some time. Till then, father and bhai can have their food. Chotu goes to school from there. Sometimes in the evening also, Chotu goes directly from school to help his father. Father tries to sell previous day's vegetables first. Why? So that they do not get wasted. They do not rot. Therefore, it is necessary to sell previous day's vegetables first. As the previous day's vegetables get sold, bhai takes out fresh vegetables from the sacks and put them in the cart. Why? When previous day's vegetables are sold, the baskets get empty. So what does bhai do? He takes out the extra vegetables, put in the sacks below this. Can you see a stand made between the tires? They put the extra vegetables into the sacks and keep it in the space between the tires, so that they can use them once the vegetables are finished in the basket. So what does bhai do? Bhai takes out the vegetables from the sacks and puts them in the cart. He also keeps sprinkling water on the vegetables. Why do vegetable seller sprinkle water on them? so that the vegetables do not dry up and they stay fresh. Especially in summer, they have to sprinkle more and more water. Father and Bhai return around 10 o'clock at night. By then, Chotu and I sleep. So, it's very late when Bhai and father returns home. Till that time, Vaishali and Chotu goes to sleep because again they have to get up early in the morning at 3 o'clock. But everyone else, means brother, father and mother, they sleeps around 11 or 11:30 at night, and next day they wake up again early. So here we learn about a vegetable seller and his family's day. We get to see this kind of vegetable sellers near our houses, on streets, and our mummies buy vegetables from these people only. So here we finish our chapter. Soon we will be back with new chapter. Till then, bye bye. Take care.